Cool. Very cool.
The following film is a talking turkey. It is totally based on totally real events and is in no way meant to be
Christmas.
Well, that's not much of a surprise, really, but... What is that?
Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.
The daycare attendant.
That's an awesome theory, but I think they actually call that my son. Awesome.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. A thief in New Zealand was about to leave the store when an off-duty police officer showed up.
I know exactly how that feels.
You what?
Find out on the next Mundo del Amor.
This is your desk.
What?
Desk.
He gave me this.
I've never laid my eyes on something more repulsive.
This guy's a lunatic.
We're going back to the first back to get backies off, men. That's right. Men.
Who are you talking to?
This man right here. He totally gets it.
How do we address it, sir? With funny, right?
Not really.
It's not freaking Steve! If it's Steve, I'm dead! If it's Steve! It's Steve!
meme.
Enough with your impressive and very gross display. Dogs!
Dogs?
Where are we? What is that?
That's Earth.
Dude, that's completely flat. That's 100% flat, dude.
And the hunters won't be a threat, and the flock will be safe.
Exactly.
I want you.
What?
Nothing. We should be able to see.
Those are some angry birds.
He brings blessings to you.
Oh, excellent.
No! Don't die, Shifu, please!
I'm not dying, you idiot.
I hate my life and I wanna die.
Desk.